This is the OPPO Find X2 Neo, and in today's video we're going to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, you gotta make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store. At the search bar, type in Caffeine. Once any app is found, this one, click on the install button and wait until the app gets downloaded and installed respectively. Now all that it's left to do is to launch the Caffeine and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and as long as the Caffeine app stays active in the background, so do not close the app, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.